Write a Java program sum of natural number 1 to 10. Public class sum of natural numbers. Public static void main, string, args. Step 1. Declare a variable to hold the sum of the numbers. Int sum equals 0. Step 2. Use a loop to iterate over the numbers from 1 to 10. For int I equals 1, I less than equals 10, I plus plus. Step 3. Add the current number to the sum. Sum plus equals I, closing curly bracket. Step 4. Print the sum of the numbers. System.out. Println, the sum of natural numbers from 1 to 10 is, plus sum. Closing curly bracket. Closing curly bracket. Here's a breakdown of each step. Declare a variable to hold the sum of the numbers. In this case, we're using an int variable called sum to hold the sum of the natural numbers. Use a loop to iterate over the numbers from 1 to 10. We're using a for loop to iterate over the numbers from 1 to 10. The loop initializes a variable called I to 1, and then continues as long as I is less than or equal to 10. For each iteration of the loop, the value of I is incremented by 1. Add the current number to the sum. Inside the loop, we're adding the current value of I to the sum variable. This will accumulate the sum of all the natural numbers from 1 to 10. Print the sum of the numbers. Finally, we're using the system.out. Println method to print out the sum of the natural numbers from 1 to 10. We're concatenating the string. The sum of natural numbers from 1 to 10 is, with the value of sum to form the output message. When you run this program, the output will be: the sum of natural numbers from 1 to 10 is 55. This is because the sum of natural numbers from 1 to 10 is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 10 equals 55.